Hey there, YouTube. My name is Mike Kazi. A long time ago, I promised you guys I'd build a PC out of my spare components. Now I actually did that, and the thing is, I'm tearing it apart to make it more, well, a bit more efficient. Let me explain. I did post on Facebook at Blitz Tech Gaming the specs and what is really running. And I've been doing some overclocking and a bit of testing, but these are all spare parts that I had kicking about the house. The case is an Iconic Soho 10 bay, which I did some modding on to cut out the front, the drive bay. 1 second, let's see if I can actually find the original drive bay. Yeah, that thing. I cut that out. Yeah, it's a really shitty cut, if you're wondering. And pretty much I just got that all out, and I stuffed in here a XSPC RX240 with an XSPC single bay res and pump. The tubing is tubing I had lying around for years. I can't remember where it's from. The block is my old Alphacool AMD AM3, and the funny thing about it is it's mounted on the back of this motherboard, which is a Gigabyte 990FX UD3. Yes, it's fairly high-end, I know, shut up. The RAM is actually 4 gigs of Super Talent 1333, which I got running at 1600 megahertz. The processor is running at 4.2 gigahertz, which will be declocked because I don't need it so high. The graphics card is my old AMD 5770, and the sound card is a very, very, very old Creative Labs card I had for the last 8 years. It's still going. This hard drive is a 250 gig, and this is a drive that I had extra stuff on for my dead Lappy. Yeah, as I was saying, the screws for the Alphacool block actually fits directly into my Gigabyte backplate, which is not really that big of a problem. The power supply that was kicking around in here was originally a Animax Platimax 650, which someone begged me for, so I gave it to them. And I found this old thing. It's an Geeler, I think. Yeah, let's see, focus. A Geeler 600 watt. Yeah, right down there. And I'll be kicking that out for this old shit stick Logitech Logicist 480 watt. I did a bit of modding on the Logicist, and I put in this black fan grill. I didn't put in the fan itself, but the black fan grill is what I placed in here. Now you're wondering where this place is. This is actually a room that we use just for storing clothes and so on. So I really don't have a personal home computer. I have computers back in my office where I do editing, and those things are really powerful. This is a fan I took out of a dead Corsair HX7. I can't remember. It's an old Corsair power supply. It's a 140, and it works actually really freaking well. The 140 at the top, I can't remember where I got it from as well. But this will be coming out. This will be coming out, and this will be replaced by my old fans from my Corsair H50, which I have. God knows where that thing is. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. So I'm actually going to remove everything, including the top fan, completely. So this will be just open vented area, and let's see how that works. For the time being, this is Mike Kazi out, and I'll fill you back in details when I'm done. Ciao.